Namaste from Sutra Network, India. Here are the top stories making headlines today. We begin with world news where markets, climate debates, and global politics are in sharp focus. Turning to India, major developments range from economic ratings and weather alerts to issues of public safety. In the environment and climate space, urgent warnings and calls for accountability are driving international discussions. In sports and entertainment, attention is on major tournaments and events unfolding across the globe. And finally, in science and technology, groundbreaking discoveries and innovations are shaping the future of how we live and understand our world. Let's take a look. Namaste from Sutra Network. Here are the news for today. Asian markets up. Gold surges amid US shutdown fears. Asian equities rose today while gold climbed to record highs, as investors brace for a possible US government shutdown that could delay key economic data. Gold has become very important at this time. Developing nations slam rich for broken climate pledges at the UN. At the UN, the leaders from developing countries called out wealthy nations for failing to fulfill climate finance commitments, especially given the disproportionate impacts they face. Europe warns environment crisis that threatens resources and economy. Europe's environmental agency flagged that over 80% of its protected habitats are in poor condition due to pollution, overuse, and loss of biodiversity, posing serious risks to long-term economic stability. Trump overshadows Climate Week with pullbacks from green funding. During the Climate Week, President Trump criticized climate science, slashed climate funding, and put global efforts under scrutiny, even as the rest of the world renewed calls for urgent climate action. Moody's affirms India's sovereign rating at Baa3 with stable outlook. Moody's has confirmed India's credit rating at Baa3, citing factors like a resilient economy, stable fiscal management, and strong domestic financing capabilities. A passenger accuses CRPF officer of covert photography at Delhi airport. A video posted recently shows a woman alleging that a man, CRPF officer, secretly clicked her photos at the Delhi's IGI airport terminal. It sparked a major debate on privacy and security personal conduct. IMD issues orange alert for Mumbai, Thane, Pune. Heavy rain expected. The meteorological department has warned of heavy rain to moderate rainfall in these Maharashtra regions over the next few days. Residents are urged to remain cautious. Karur crowd crash death toll climbs to 41 in Tamil Nadu. Following a political rally in Veluswamipuram, massive crowd surges led to a tragic stampede. Allegations suggest delays and poor crowd control may have worsened the situation. The European Union warns resource stress as environmental degradation deepens across Europe, with irreversible tipping points looming. At the UN climate gatherings, developing nations are pressing for climate justice and accountability, especially around funding gaps and historical climate responsibility. China has pledged new emission-cutting goals, 7 to 10% from peak, by 2035, and boosted its renewable energy capacity ambitions. Women's Cricket World Cup 2025 kicks off today. India and Sri Lanka play the opening match. Broadcasters and platforms have released details on how to watch live in India. NASA ISRO NISAR sends first radar images of Earth. The joint NASA-ISRO satellite mission NISAR has released its first radar images, showing high-resolution detail of land, forest, agriculture, and urban landscapes. The data is expected to transform Earth observation, disaster response, and environmental monitoring. Quantum trading breakthrough claimed by HSBC. HSBC revealed that tests using IBM's quantum computing tools, it improved prediction accuracy for order fulfillment by 34% over conventional models in bond markets, signaling a potential near-term application of quantum tech in finance. And that wraps up the top stories for today. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, the world changes by the minute, and we're here to keep you updated every step of the way.